Hello friend, in this short video you will learn everything about the smartphone Xiaomi CIVI 2 in a couple of minutes. Let's go. Xiaomi today officially introduced the CIVI 2 smartphone. The novelty again turned out to be thin and light, with a 4500 mAh battery installed inside, but this is not the main thing. CIVI 2 is the first Xiaomi phone with a 32-megapixel dual front camera, and the first in the world based on the Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 single-chip system. Almost only women appear in advertising materials. It is easy to understand what audience the device is designed for. Users will certainly appreciate the gradient colors with sparkles, and the special version in white with a wavy texture of the back panel. CIVI 2 received a 6.55-inch OLED screen with a resolution of 2400 x 1080 pixels, a frame rate of 120 Hz. The cooling system with a 2387 square millimeters vapor chamber is responsible for high-quality cooling of the Snapdragon 7 Gen 1. The front camera uses two identical Samsung S5K 3D 2 image sensors with a resolution of 32 megapixels. Lenses: wide-angle and ultra-wide-angle with a field of view of 100 degrees. Xiaomi focuses maximum attention on the front camera. The announcement was accompanied by a large number of pictures taken with its help, while the main camera received very little attention. The phone supports 67W charging. The thickness of the device is 7.23 mm, weight 171.8 grams. The CIVI 2 configuration has stereo speakers, an NFC chip, and IR emitter. Prices are as follows: 8 128ths of a gigabyte minus $335, 8 256ths of a gigabyte minus $350, 12 256ths of a gigabyte minus $390. This concludes the review. Bye bye.